So this one says, question 2, an algae population is 10,000. It triples each day. We're to write an equation to represent the relationship between the population of algae and time in days, and that time is represented by t. So if we examine the information that we are given in the problem, some important information, this 10,000 here is going to be our start. Right, that's how it started. And then it triples each day. So that's also important information. That's telling us how the population is increasing. Yep, so tripling each day. That suggests the growth factor. This is times 3, and that's your growth factor. And we want to write the equation. Well, the original equation is y is equal to a times b to the x. However, we are going to use the y to represent a of t. So that's going to give us a times b to the t, whatever t is. So when we think about that information, here's what we notice. Well, the 10,000 is going to take the place of the initial value. And 3 is the growth factor. So the initial value A is 10,000, the growth factor B is 3 because it's tripling. And that's raised to the t power because that represents the time in days. And the second part of this question asks us to find the number of algae in the population when t is 4. So what we would do is we're going to replace t with 4. So we're going to have, sorry about that, we're going to have, we're actually trying to find a of 4, which means that it's 10,000 times 3 raised to the 4th power, because that t replaces a 4, so that is going to be 10,000 times 3, and we're going to use the expanded form, times 3 times 3 times 3, and when we simplify that, that is going to give us 810,000. So it means after 4 days, there was 810,000. The population of algae was 810,000.